Okay, today is release day for KellofaPlan. I am going to do a plan with me. I think I want to use the daily sheets because I'm really loving these sheets. And I want to use these before I take them to work because, again, I'm going to take these to work. They're perfect for some work planning. Yeah, I really love them. So I'm going to use this, and then I'm going to use a mixture of this and these reading basics because there's some really cute decorative stickers in here. So I kind of want to mix these two together. And then of course I just wanted to mention again this reading planner. It's really good. So I have a flip through on my channel if you're interested in seeing like the full flip through. If you didn't see that, definitely recommend. If you like reading, this is a good one to pick up. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna focus on these items here, which I feel like these are gonna sell out pretty quick. So definitely, if you want it, get your hands on it. It's a good sheet. All right, so let me see which decorative sticker I want to use. Yeah, there's some really cute decorative stickers. Like, these are pretty. I might use these. I really like those. Okay, hold on. These, and then we'll see if there's something that'll match those stickers. Those are cute. Oh, these are pretty too. But I think, yeah, I'm leaning towards those stickers. Okay. I really like these, like the color palette. Okay, so we'll see if we can find some colors in here. I think I can because there's a good mix of colors. Ooh, actually that one's pretty. That one might work. Sorry, it's like called. Ooh, actually this one's pretty too. Actually, I think I prefer the other one. Ooh, maybe this one. I think I like this one because it's got the pinks and the grays and the red tones. I think this is a good one. Okay, so I'm gonna pair these two together, I think. Hold on, let me just double check. Oh, actually, no. These. I think this is a better match. Okay, that's what I'm going with. All right, so, what am I gonna do first? Okay, I love these like little checklist stickers right here. You get two options. There are the checklist, and then you have the hourly section right here. So you can choose which one you want to use, and it fits perfectly right here. So I'm gonna go with the checklist. I always like to use checklists. And this is gonna just go right here. And I love that everything lines up perfectly. It's all spaced to perfection to fit there. So love that. All right, let's add in a girl. I'm kind of leaning towards this one because I want her to be like up against this part. Or I can actually do this girl. Okay. So let's do this girl here. Should I add in some washi? Maybe I'll add in some washi. Okay, let me see if I can find some washi. I have so many washis, but sometimes I don't like the options I have. I wonder if this will look good. This is too different. I kind of want to put it in. Okay, because I never use this washi, and this one's from Simply Gilded. So I'm just going to stick it on the bottom. It kind of goes. Okay, then I can stick her on top because I just wanted her to like be sitting on something a little bit like that. Okay, so that works for that. So in these sections, you can actually cover them up with these boxes. They fit perfectly on top of these if you don't want them to have these sayings. So let's see how these fit. And then you could always, I think I'm just gonna white out the must do. You can leave them as it is though. But you could always do this as well because they do fit perfectly in here, like that. So let's cover up. Let's do all of them just so they're all covered up and you can see how that looks. I'm not covering up the dots because I actually don't mind seeing them through the sticker, so those are gonna stay. And the next color. And then we can relabel these too, which is nice. Okay, nice. Okay, so we have these here, some different words that we can add in here. So I'm going to do, let's do today's tasks. I'm gonna match them, the colors. We have today's tasks, will go in this box. Then the blue one is important, in this box. And this one we'll do tomorrow. Okay, so there's the new ones. Looks nice. Now I'm gonna add in, I'm sorry, hit my camera. Let's add in some little cute deco stickers. Let's see, I can put this one over here in the corner. And I kind of like these bows. Yeah, they're like on a paper clip. So, do I want to put them on the bottom? I kind of want them like up above here. Okay, how adorable is that? I think that's super adorable. All right. I really like this girl too. I kind of want to add her on the page. So let's add in some of these boxes because I really like this long strip here to break up this section. Like that. And then we could put the girl up here. Cool. Looks good. Also have like, maybe I could put some coffee with the books next to her too. All right, and then, oh, let me add in some of this washi. I'm gonna add it here. Just like around this section here. Oh, I think that looks pretty. Cool, I like that. All right, next, let's add in, all right, so I got lots of bullet points. This habit tracker, I think this is gonna be too big for here, but if I cut it, let me cut it. Okay, let's see if I cut it down to this section. Will that work? Not sure. Oh, it does. Okay. So I'm just going to stick it, oops, right in between the washi and the sticker. Got a little tracker there. I also have these. Stick a little header there. Cool, I like that. And we'll put in that one. Don't forget, let's see how these fit in here. Almost kind of fit. Okay, perfect. Don't forget. And And then maybe I can do, let's see if I do some of these dots. I love these bullet points. They're like the perfect little tiny bullet point. So yeah, let me stick some of these over here. I feel like lots of little sections for a daily sheet is good. I'm gonna do 3. Kind of crooked, but that's okay. It's hard to put down the dots without the grid and all the lines and stuff. All right, so that looks good, kind of, sort of. If I fix it, maybe it'll look better. I'll fix it later because I can't do it right now. I wonder if I should add more washi because I'm really liking the look of that. It's giving me like when I first started planning, I would add washi like this. And it's giving me like OG planner style of using washi for some reason. So I think it looks cute. So I'll stick it in here. It's actually a really good size too. Pretty. All right. Let's see what else I can add. Got maybe like a coffee or something. This one says, but first coffee. Okay, I don't want to put it there. Let's do it for here, for this important box. But first coffee. Oh, we got little pumpkins too. I forgot about those. Have these little coffee mugs here. I'll just cover up some of those little checklists like that. I think that's so pretty. All right, and then I want to add in, let's see, I do have these. Let's see how this will look over here. Break this up a little bit too. And I can do some of these checklists, which I believe will fit nicely in these sections. If I can get it lined up right. Okay, perfect. All right, cool. And then let's do, for this one, let's do work. And I wonder if this will fit. It doesn't fit. That's okay. Okay, it doesn't fit. All right, and then if you wanted to, you could always take this box and stick it here and completely cover this up. Lots of options, which is nice. I think it looks really pretty though. Let's have one more of these. Just stack those there. Okay, 2 little boxes. And then maybe I can add another little, I want to do coffee, or I kind of want to do a book. I think a tiny little book will be good. Like that. I think that's gorgeous. Love it. Okay, so I'm going to cut this off. And that would be a daily sheet using Reading Basics and Daily Florals. I'm really loving this little sheet from KellofaPlan, so definitely check it out, because like I said, I feel like these are gonna go pretty quick because it's just a good layout when it comes to a daily. And I'm loving all her like functional stickers from Daily Florals because they just fit so perfectly in these sections. It was just, yeah, love it. All right, so that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you wanna see more, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next one.